going to. Alright. Oh, this is the Grand. Let's check out the Grand real quick. What all this is. Huh. That's kind of strange. I hadn't been in here in 10 years. At least 10, maybe 12. It's definitely different than I remember it. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's right. Caesars owns the Grand. I think this is their only property downtown. What a nice little sports book. It's definitely small, but it's really nice. Really, really nice. Yeah, so Caesars owns this property now. Which is weird for them to own one property downtown. You know, they had them all in a row. And it was weird for them to own Rio, in my opinion. But I can't explain why it was weird, so I guess it wasn't weird. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm guessing $3. $1. That's like 2 times in a row I've been wrong. I'm gonna go into a state of depression. Also known as the state of Nevada. Yeah, this is a nice casino. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was last time I was here. But it just has a good feel to it. It's a quaint casino. And it's right next to the California, so it's not like it's far away from. I thought it was further away from the Fremont Street Experience. It actually is not. I mean, you just walk down an alleyway and you're at the Fremont Experience. They got a $14.99 prime rib here, gambler special. You got to tell them you're a gambler though. So even if you're not, you have to admit it, because I know you are. Okay, here's another area that's empty. Oh, note to all casino managers, don't ever do this. It gives people the idea that you're not doing well. Put anything there. Put a car. Put a Rolls Royce, even if it doesn't run, put it right there and say, that it's a picture taking place or something. Just don't leave an empty spot. So I don't know what else there is to see here. There's, we'll see if we can see the swimming pool. How about that? All they can do is turn me away, right? All right, I'll turn it back on when we get up there. I know you don't want to watch me go up the escalator. Oh, okay. They got good-looking equipment in there for their fitness room. This is the Grand Fitness Center. Nice. I'm not a big fan of those little seats. You don't really sit on those seats though for this exercise. I don't believe. I used to do that. It was only because I was trying to meet the instructor. That didn't work out, believe it or not. You know, that's hard to believe. It looks like a closed sign on the swimming pool. Let's see if we can see it. Where is it? I don't know if it's worth breaking in to get a video of it. Pool is closed. Huh. The hell you say? Oh man. I don't have a lot of video for swimming pools. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it smells like swimming pool back there. This is where we are, by the way. Hot and juicy crawfish across there. It's a mob museum. So I need to go to California, not the state, the Hotel California. You can check in, but you can never leave. All right, that's all for the Grand, which was an unexpected trip. So this is the Grand, and that's you can see the Fremont Street Experience is straight ahead, and you see that piece of crap stereo that guy's playing in that Toyota. I don't know why he's playing it so loud. It sounds like garbage. I'm gonna take his girlfriend from him in just a minute, but I'm gonna do that off camera. Yeah, so that's the Grand. That's how close it is. I forgot it was this close. You just walk down that corridor, safe and well lit. So consider the Grand part of the Fremont Street Experience, in my opinion. I question thee part of the Fremont Street. So that's official. I haven't given them a certificate or anything, but if someone could print one for me and send me a PDF of it, I'll get it to them, sign it, and everything will be official. And it's Steak and Shake. Oof. All right. That's the end of the Grand Part 2. The ending Part 2.